Now here the question is for three events A, B and C, P exactly one of the event A or B occurs is equal to P exactly one of events B or C occurs equals P exactly one of events C or A occurs is P, and probability all the three events occur simultaneously is P square. Then the probability that at least one of the three events occurs is. Now we are given that exactly one of A or B. Now we know that probability exactly one of A or B, it is probability of A intersection B naught plus probability of A naught intersection B, and is given that this is P. Now we can write this as PA minus PA intersection B, and this is PB minus P A intersection B, and this is P. So from here we can write PA plus PB minus 2 times P A intersection B, it is P. In the same way we can write PB plus PC minus 2 times P B intersection C, it is also P, and also PC plus PA minus 2 times P A intersection C, it is P. Now if we add all these three, we can write 2 times PA plus PB plus PC minus P A intersection B minus P B intersection C minus P C intersection A, it is 3P. Now we have to find at least one of ABC must occur. Probability of A union B union C. Now this probability is PA plus PB plus PC minus P A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. Now we already know this value. This is 3P by 2. So we can write this as 3P by 2, and intersection, all these three occur simultaneously. It is given in the question as P square. So this probability will be 2P square plus 3P by 2, which is your option A.